In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Dynatrace Inc. Dynatrace is a software intelligence company that focuses on application performance and cloud observability. It is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DT. This guide is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account, which commonly requires a government ID. You will also need to add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker DT to find Dynatrace. Confirm you select the Dynatrace Inc. listing to ensure you have the correct stock on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart that shows recent trading. Double-check the company name, ticker DT, and exchange to confirm it is the correct stock. To invest, click the Investor Buy button and enter the amount you want to spend or number of shares. Review the order details carefully and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order and execute when trading reopens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the transaction. After the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is listed in the description below if you want to follow the same steps.